Welcome back everyone, and thanks for stopping by today. In this video, I will show you how to change the text size in Google Chrome Beta on your mobile phone. If the text feels too small or too large while browsing, this simple setting can make reading. First, open the Google Chrome Beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. Scroll down slowly until you find the option called Accessibility and tap on it. After that, look for the default zoom option inside the Accessibility section. Drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the text size according to your preference. Finally, once you are happy with the text size, you can exit the settings and continue browsing. The new text size will apply immediately to most websites you visit. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others who may need it, and thanks for watching.